What's up guys, this is Engineer Jack. So let's solve a problem in hydraulics and yung topic natin for today is buoyancy. So ito yung problem. An object weighs 75 newtons when submerged in oil with a specific gravity of 0.8 and a force of 100 newtons is required to hold it submerged in mercury. Determine the following. First, the weight of the object, the volume of the object, and the specific gravity of this object. So first, ang gawin muna natin is to visualize kung ano ba yung itsura of this object in our liquids. As you can see in the left figure, meron tayong container and yung object natin is submerged in our oil with a specific gravity of 0.8. Now, yung weight of this object is hindi pa natin alam kasi yun nga ang hinahanap. So, let's say this is W. And since na may nag-act dito class na buoyant force kasi submerged siya in the liquid, so we have, let's say this is variable BF. And yung reading of this, kung weighing scale man to, yung reading dito class is 75 newtons. So, kung i-convert natin class yan in an equation, this becomes the weight of the object minus yung buoyant force galing sa oil natin equals to 75 newtons. And yung BF natin or the buoyant force is simply the unit weight of that liquid multiplied by the volume submerged. So, in this case, yung gagamitin natin na volume is yung total volume. So, let's say this is equation 1. Next, for our second figure, as you can see here, sa right naman, ang red natin na force, this is the weight of the object. Since kailangan natin yung 100 Newton na force para ma-hold natin yung object to make it submerge in our mercury liquid, ang force natin should be also downward. So, this is 100 Newton. And yung nag-act natin na force na pataas is simply the buoyant force from the liquid of the mercury. So, ang gawin natin class ito na equation, this becomes the weight of the object plus yung 100 Newton of force is equal to the buoyant force from the mercury. So, let's say this is equation 2. So, gawin natin class is isubstitute natin yung equation 1 to our equation 2. So, yung W natin is also 75 plus yung buoyant force from the oil, that is the unit weight of the oil multiplied by the volume. Then, isubstitute natin ito sa equation 2. So, this becomes 75 plus unit weight of oil, volume plus yung 100. Sa kabila is yung unit weight of our mercury multiplied by volume submerged. So, simplify natin. So, unit weight of mercury multiplied by volume minus yung unit weight of oil multiplied by volume equals to 175 newtons. So, i-factor out natin class yung volume. We have unit weight of mercury, unit weight of oil equals to 175. So, our volume now is 175 all over. So, this becomes 9810 multiplied by 13.6. That is the unit weight of the mercury. Minus, yung unit weight of oil is 9810 multiplied by 0.8. So, itong 9810 class this is the unit weight of water. And itong 13.6, this is the specific gravity of the mercury. And yung 0.8 naman, this is the specific gravity of our oil. So, our volume now of this object is 0.00139 cubic meters. So this is the answer for number 2. So next, to calculate the weight of the object, gamitin natin yung equation 1. So establish natin dito class is our weight equals to 75 plus yung unit weight of oil natin, we have 9,810 multiplied by 0.8 and yung volume natin 0.00139. So the weight of the object is 85.94 newtons. So this is the answer for number 1. So to calculate the specific gravity of the object, our formula for specific gravity is the unit weight of the object all over the unit weight of water. So yung object natin is simply the weight over volume of the object all over unit weight of water. So simplify natin, weight over volume gamma water. We have 85.94 for the weight. Yung denominator natin is 0.00139. And yung unit weight of water, that is 9,810. So the specific gravity of this object is 6.29. So this is the answer for number 3.